Hello, viewers! I know what you're thinking, and I know you think it's impossible, but today I'm going to show you a method of making money that not many people know about. As a lot of people don't make enough money with this method because they don't pay attention to everything I say, especially to the smallest details. So stay with me until the end, and I promise you will be making money in no time. And you don't need to take money out of your wallet or bank account to use this method. So anyway, today's website is called entireWeb.com. The entire web is search engine just like Google, and there is a reason why we will be using this search engine instead of your default. One, we will be using entirely web because unlike Google, they will pay us for every click. You get paid 20 cents for each click that you get. There are some people out there who use this because they get paid. But as I said in the beginning, not a lot of people know about this. So we should take advantage of this. On the top right side, there is a button that you can click there. That will show you a drop-down box. After that, click on Affiliate Now as an affiliate. We don't need to sell products or convince other people to buy something from us. We just need to convince them to use the entire web instead of Google, so that for every click you will get paid 20 cents. And with that, even if you're asleep, you will still earn money passively anyway after clicking on the affiliate button. You were brought to another page where you can create your affiliate account. On this page, if you explore it a bit, you can also see an explanation on how the entire web's the affiliate program works along with this. They will also explain how and when you will get paid. Now you need to pay attention to this because they will pay you through PayPal, and very minimum payout value is $50. It might sound like that's a lot, but you don't need to worry about this because it's very easy to get people to click and use the entire web as their search engine. First off, let's create an account by clicking on the Create an Account button. After that, you can just go ahead and put in your first name and last name, and your email as your username. As for your tracking ID, you can type in whatever you like. It's totally up to you below that. You need to put in additional information, and then you need to fill out your payout methods. Now, if you don't use PayPal or if you don't have the account, you can get paid through other means. Just make sure that all of the information that you type in is accurate. Registering for an affiliate account shouldn't take that long, so you should be able to do this quickly and easily. I know that it's already the year end, but it doesn't mean that you have to stop making money, right? It's never too late to earn and do the side hustle. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that red button now. And show your support to Ryan by liking this video. Also, you can comment below for your insights. Don't forget to keep watching. As we move along now that you have your account ready, you should be able to see the dashboard for now. You have no clicks and $0 since you just started. But when you start earning and reach the 50 threshold to withdraw your money, just click on my profile so that you can request for a withdrawal on the top of your dashboard. You should be able to see your own unique and personalized affiliate link. I need you to copy that. Once you have copied your link, all you need to do is paste that link to any social media account that you have and tell people, your friends and family, about how they can potentially earn using the entire web. You can also join Facebook groups, especially the money-making nijis, so that you can get more clicks and earn more money. Now, if you're still here and watching the video, you're doing a mighty fine job. And here's something that you deserve. I have a bonus tip for you. This will greatly help you in earn passively and have potentially unlimited clicks for other people. I'll show you where you can get free traffic. So first, you need to go to Google Docs and make a template explaining how the entire web works and how it can potentially help them earn money. After you make the template, make sure to save it as a PDF file and download it into your computer, or your phone goes to slideshare.net. This website is filled with information through articles, presentations, infographics, and more. Millions of people visit this website every day in pursuit of knowledge. And to learn about new and other stuff, the first thing you need to do here is sign up and create an account. It's really easy to do and self-explanatory, so we will skip that part. You need to type in the title, and it's up to you to make a creative and attractive title. Next is the category, which you will choose services and ask for the privacy, choose public. It's important to add tags so that it will be easier for people to find your post or upload. So just type in Google or search engine or something better than Google. The more tags you add, the more people will be able to find this. And then just continue and click on upload. The only thing left for you to do is just wait, and pretty soon you will see the notifications popping up every minute of every day when people start clicking on your link. I hope you got along and did not miss the important parts. That is pretty much everything there is to know about your user lyrics. This is absolutely a great way to earn and make money online.